Welcome to Beli Rollforming. Discover our revolutionary high-speed laser welding step beam rollforming machine. By utilizing a powerful 6 kilowatt continuous laser welding system, we achieve beam strength for superior to traditional spot welding. It runs at an impressive speed of 12 to 15 meters per minute and uses a flying saw cutting solution to handle step beam dimensions from 3-inch up to 6-inch. Our process begins with the efficient loading system. Watch as the heavy-duty coil car effortlessly maneuvers the steel coil onto the hydraulic uncoiler, ensuring a seamless transition and preparation for the high-speed production run. This is the heart of the machine, the roll forming section. We are forming the precision profile of the step beam, also known as the P-beam, step by step. Notice the robust construction of our gearbox-driven system, providing consistent power and accuracy. Our machine features automatically adjustable roll forming stands, allowing for quick changeovers between different beam sizes. The profile takes shape through a series of precision roll-formed rollers, and a dedicated straightener ensures the material enters the next stage perfectly flat. This engineering precision is what guarantees the quality and structural integrity of the final product. Moving swiftly, the pre-formed sections enter the continuous laser welding station. This is the key strength of our machine. The 6 kilowatt laser creates a deep, continuous weld seam, drastically increasing the structural rigidity and load-bearing capacity of the step beam compared to intermittent spot welds, all while maintaining the high production speed. Next up is the high-speed flying saw cutting system. This technology is critical for continuous production. The saw carriage moves along with the beam as it is cut, meaning the entire machine does not stop during the cutting cycle. This maximizes output and ensures precise, clean cuts for all your required lengths and dimensions. This Beli roll-forming solution offers unbeatable speed, superior strength, and dimensional flexibility for your step beam production. To see more innovative machines and learn how we can optimize your roll forming process, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and contact Beli Rollforming today for a quote.